Hi, Caleb.Kaiser with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to be showing a Chaparral fifth wheel. You head inside. Features an awning, auto level system, and a big pass-through storage on the outside. And if you make your way in, this is the 336 TSIK floor plan. It's got a big living area back here, two big slides, big island, electric fireplace so you're not burning propane to heat the place. Big pantry for all your food. Double basin sink, residential faucet, big double door fridge, lots of food in here. More counter space, lots of storage around the counter space there. If you make your way up into the bedroom, you got your touchscreen panel that you can control everything in the coach with. Digital thermostat, so you can set it to whatever temperature you want. You got a big dresser built into the coach, king size bed, big closets on both sides. In the middle is your washer dryer hookup. Yeah, that's the Chaparral fifth wheel. I'm Caleb. Again, you can reach me directly at 541-321-2328 for any other questions or if you're interested in this fifth wheel. Thank you.